improving the development of a software dedicated to the quadrilateral study by using the design patterns. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Development of object-oriented software is hard, and reusable object-oriented software design is more complex. The implementation needs to be proper to the problem, however also universal enough to be capable to solve ulterior requirements. In the procedure of realization, an interactive educational software design represents presumably the most significant element that can alter its quality. Propitiously, at present there are several design patterns whose utilization can deliver a disposal of a generic problem. Design disposals of responsible architects are established by the design techniques. This chapter introduces an interactive educational software that can be used in the study of quadrilateral geometry. The study objectives consist in a refined implementation of the educational software by usage of factory, creational pattern and observer, behavioral pattern. The utilization of factory pattern links collateral class hierarchies alike that it can locate the knowledge of which classes appertain conjunctively. The most significant benefit of using observer pattern is that this template simplifies programming process notably. The modeling of the software is achieved through specific UML diagrams representing the stages of analysis, design and implementation, and implementation is accomplished through the Java programming language. In the situation of informatics society whose prime source in social economic evolution is consumption information, the complicated and quick knowledge of reality for rational, opportune, effective decisions is a desideratum which engender the demand to render some upper levels habituation in information managed for entire population. Computers and their programs afford users strong abilities for information maneuver. These eases afford to computers upper educational abilities against other techniques used in education, and supply learning directed based on numerous parameters, intellectual ability, step of knowledge, task rate. The informatics community renders susceptible improvement in education programs. For this purpose, it required that professor prepare to use computer in education process. These informational mechanisms enforce to reorganize matter of education procedure, to reappraise practices, and to establish patterns of didactic actions. The compounded programming groups the linear and branch sequence conformable to teaching requirements. The computer-based program teaching achieve instruction procedure with inputs flux control and a control system functions which write set degree. In this chapter, the scope was to design a quadrilateral geometry interactive software with and without using design templates. There were introduced some problems that appear in situation of not using patterns. This inefficacious design has been improved using creational template factory and observer behavioral design patterns. To optimize software development, factory template delivers the accountability to geometric element to the factory. By employment of observer pattern, the rule of loose connection among objects that interact with each other it is upheld. The theme discussed in this chapter is very topical, geometry being a significant constituent in training of young mathematicians and engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.